The fish of the Esox genus have a duck-like snout, an elongated body, and a single dorsal fin located on the back third of the body. The fish in this genus are known for their extreme predatory behavior, and this often leads to mixed views. Some love the intense fight that these freshwater giants deliver, while others are annoyed with the impact that these predators have on the smaller species of fish. Whatever your opinion is, I think it is undeniable that the fish discussed in this video are all quite remarkable. This is the fourth installment of a series I'm doing on the species of North American freshwater fish. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out the other videos I've made on the trout, bass, and catfish species. I will now go over a list of all the fish species in the Esox genus found here in North America. I will include pictures and range maps to help you differentiate between the species within this genus, as well as identify what species are found close to you. Please note that making range maps is extremely difficult as fish populations are ever changing. With that in mind, recognize that the maps aren't 100% perfect. In short, there are three types of fish in this genus: the pickerels, the muskellunge, and the pike. But things get more complicated as there are subspecies and hybrids occurring within and across these main three. For example, within the term American pickerel, there are currently two recognized subspecies, the Redfin pickerel and the grass pickerel. I'm going to begin by discussing the Redfin pickerel. As the name indicates, this fish tends to have more of a reddish to orange coloration on the fins. The scale coloration of the fish typically ranges from green to brown on the lateral portion, while the ventral side ranges from white to pale amber. There are vertical streaks of dark green lines on the lateral sides of these fish. This coloration is vital for hunting as it allows the pickerel to camouflage within the vegetation as it waits to ambush prey. The snout on this fish is relatively short compared to the other members of the Esox genus. This is one of the smallest fish on this list, reaching an average size of around 5 to 9 inches with a max length of approximately 15 inches. Their range exists mostly along the eastern coastline of the US. The grass pickerel shares many similarities with the redfin pickerel. Some of the main differences include the range, which is much broader and more inland for the grass pickerel than it is for the redfin pickerel. This pickerel also has a proportionately short snout and a small size, with an average adult only being about 5 to 10 inches, the max size being approximately 15 inches. There's a portion of the range in which both the grass pickerel and the redfin pickerel are found in the Gulf Slope drainages between the Biloxi River of Mississippi and the St. Johns River in Florida. Attempting to identify specimens to the subspecies level in this region is somewhat impractical, and these specimens should in most cases be referred to as an American pickerel, as they both fit into that description. Apart from the redfin and grass pickerels, we also have the chain pickerel. The chain pickerel has a much longer snout than the other pickerels. They have a distinct chain-like pattern across the length of their body. When side by side with other species on this list, I personally feel that the chain pickerel is one of the easiest fish to tell apart because of these unique patterns that they have. Chain pickerel have fully scaled gill covers, and their tail, dorsal, and anal fins have no obvious spots or blotches. Their flanks are light golden green with dark chain-like markings. This fish typically grows to be about 14 to 20 inches long, but can reach a length as long as 39 inches. Their range is similar to that of the American pickerels previously listed. The Muskellunge or Muskie are a huge size upgrade from the pickerels. The Muskellunge is the biggest fish on this list with a max length of 72 inches. However, a more common adult length would be about 28 to 45 inches. The Muskellunge is found with several different patterns or morphs ranging from clear to barred to spotted or to spotted and barred. Depending on who you ask, there are several subspecies of Muskellunge. However, these subspecies aren't currently being recognized by most authorities. Therefore, at this point in time, and for the purpose of this video, a muskie is just a muskie. Their range includes all of the Great Lakes as well as the surrounding states and provinces. While Muskellunge has been artificially hybridized with redfin pickerel, grass pickerel, and chain pickerel, the tiger muskie hybrid is the only Muskellunge hybrid known to occur naturally. The tiger muskie is a cross between a muskellunge and a northern pike. In recent years, this sterile hybrid has become more and more popular with anglers as they are being stocked more and more across the country. In my home state of Utah, as well as many other states, tiger muskie are used as an environmental tool to help control unwanted fish populations. Because the fish is both sterile and extremely predatory, it proves to be very useful as they can prey on unwanted populations of fish, but not pose an invasive threat of their own as time goes on. Perhaps the most well-known fish on this list, we have the northern pike. A typical size for this fish is around 20 to 30 inches, but they have been caught as large as 56 inches. A northern pike has a dark green color laced with horizontal rows of lightly colored oval spots. Their tail fin is forked and dark spotting and blotches are found within the fins. Their range extends much further north than any of the other fish on this list. There is a morph of northern pike known as the silver pike, which, as the name indicates, is an almost patternless silver color. Because of the visual differences in color and pattern, some people may be led to believe that the silver pike is a separate species. In short, the silver pike isn't a separate species at all, but just a genetic variant of the northern pike. When compared with the muskellunge or tiger muskie, northern pike have light-colored dashes running lengthwise on a dark background, and muskies will have dark-colored spots or bars on a light background running vertically. In addition to all the wonderful members of the Esox genus that I've discussed in North America, there are several other pike species native to the areas outside of North America, such as the Amur pike, which is found in the Amur River system in Russia, China, and Mongolia, the Aquitanian pike, found in southwestern France, and the southern pike, which is found in Italy. Now, several of these species were actually recently discovered, previously being thought to be northern pike. As time goes on and technology improves, we have better and more efficient ways of identifying separate species, so it's very likely that in the near future, there will be even more species within the Esox genus to be discovered. I really enjoy making these videos, but the most enjoyable part of this process is seeing my viewers have a positive experience as they like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you feel up to supporting my channel by doing any of the following, it is much appreciated. I've got some pretty exciting video plans for my videos to come. And if you have any suggestions or interests on a specific species of fish for me to discuss in the future, please comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on the next one.